What is MAP sensor? A MAP, manifold absolute pressure, sensor is a device used in internal combustion engines to measure the absolute pressure of the air inside the intake manifold. It plays a crucial role in the engine management system by providing data to the Engine Control Unit, ECU, for various functions, including air-fuel mixture control, engine load calculation, altitude compensation, and throttle position estimation. A faulty MAP, manifold absolute pressure, sensor can lead to various performance issues in your vehicle. Here are some common symptoms of a bad MAP sensor. Number 1. Poor fuel economy. A malfunctioning MAP sensor may provide incorrect data to the ECU, leading to an improper air-fuel mixture and decreased fuel efficiency. Number 2. Rough idling. If the MAP sensor is not functioning correctly, it can cause the engine to idle roughly or unevenly, leading to vibrations and instability. Number 3. Stalling. A bad MAP sensor can cause the engine to stall unexpectedly, especially when coming to a stop or during low-speed driving. Number 4. Hesitation during acceleration. You may experience a lack of power or hesitation when accelerating, as the engine struggles to adjust the air-fuel mixture properly. Number 5. Check engine light. A malfunctioning MAP sensor often triggers the check engine light, CL, on your dashboard. A diagnostic trouble code, DTC, related to the MAP sensor may be stored in the ECU. Number 6. Increased emissions. An incorrect air-fuel mixture due to a faulty MAP sensor can lead to increased emissions, which may cause your vehicle to fail an emissions test. Number 7. Difficulty starting. In some cases, a bad MAP sensor can make it hard to start the engine, as the ECU may not receive accurate information about the engine's load and air intake. Number 8. Engine misfires. Inconsistent readings from the MAP sensor can lead to engine misfires, which can be felt as a loss of power or rough running. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe, like and share buttons.